saw your smile in the pouring rain. It lit my heart like a sweet refrain. Every step you take feels like a dream. You're the star in my movie scene. Laughter echoes through my veins, breaking the walls of my endless chains. Every glance you give melts my soul. With you, I finally feel whole. You're my endless love story, my guiding light. Through the darkest hours, you make it right. Every beat of my heart calls your name. Together forever we'll fan this flame. I chased the shadows but found your glow. In your arms I've got a place to grow. Every moment with you feels brand new. You're my sky painted in every hue. Let's dance to the rhythm of our own beat. Two hearts colliding, making love sweet. No map, no compass, just our hearts in sync. From your love, I'll never shrink. I'll write your name in the sands of time. Your love's the reason for every rhyme. The world may spin, but you're my crown. In your love I'm forever bound.